Hi, my name is Agustin Schiffrin. I'm a lecturer in the School of Physics and Astronomy at Monash University. And today, I will show you what a superconductor is. A superconductor is a material which, below a certain temperature, is very good at conducting electricity. It's also very good at repelling a magnetic field when exposed to an external magnetic field. So here what I've been doing is cooling a superconductor in liquid nitrogen such that it reaches those temperatures when it's in its superconducting state. So here you can see the superconductor wrapped in aluminum foil and also in a plastic cap for thermal insulation. So what I will do is place the superconductor in its superconducting state on top of a layer of magnets. The magnets create a magnetic field that the superconductor expels, and that allows for a force that results in levitation. So what you can see is that there's a gap between the superconductor and the magnets below. So I can push it around. If I wait long enough for the superconductor to warm up, it will lose its superconducting properties and the superconductor will fall. Another fascinating property is that if you cool down the superconductor below its critical temperature when exposed to an external magnetic field, the superconductor actually traps the magnetic field inside. So not only that allows for levitation, again, if placed on top of a magnet, but the superconductor is actually locked into the magnetic field. So here we have a rail of magnets. Again, this creates a magnetic field going up, but also going down if the superconductor is below. So now if I push the superconductor, you can see that not only levitates on top, but it doesn't fall when it's below the magnet. So let's try that again. So there it does one round and a second round. Superconductivity is a fascinating phenomenon because it's one of the rare phenomena where quantum mechanics expresses itself at the macroscopic level. So let's try that again. Not only that, but it allows for fascinating and very useful everyday applications. For example, since it conducts electricity very well, it could render all our electronics extremely efficient. Also, because of this magnetic properties that you just seen on camera, it could allow for applications where levitation might be useful. For example, you might have heard of or seen movies of levitating trains